What the hell is going on here? Fines. Fines galore. Oh man, can't even walk right here.
He loves fresh snow. I don't blame him.
Oh, right on my head.
Drop it on my head.
Yeah. Shit. All right.
What is this?
Camera.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Your hat is full of snow.
You heard him? What's this?
Yeah.
I tell you, everybody, you know, they can't see camera. But people see camera.
Top of your hat is full of snow.
Not a straight girl.
Man.
Let me get a snowman.
How the hell if I got my gloves, right?
You want mine?
No, no, it's fine.
I'm not holding anything.
No, I'm not cold like that. It's just, you know, it's just look outside for get gloves and shit.
Hit record. Hold in front of you.
What do you think he's doing? What do you think he's doing? Of course, that's what he does.
Yeah. You want to take it off? Here.
If you're getting
Huh?
something back,
You have most of it.
right.
Yeah.
That's why I think it
Oh
was
man. Good little snow. Let me flip the camera. Look at this. What they say, like 12 feet of snow today? Some shit like that. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta put my hood on. Whew, man. Let's walk down to the flagpole. I mean, the volleyball net. You had like skis or something. Yeah?
Yeah.
You had like skis or a snowboard or a sled. I'll pull you in it or something.
If I had a sled and a rope, you could pull me home.
I think the 99-cent store had like those sleds. Never know.
Never know.
It's just come in handy sometimes. Look at that shit. Wow, it sunk over in.
If I sit down, will I sink in? Should I try?
Sit down. Go ahead, right here in the fresh snow.
Okay, ready?
Let me hold on, sit.
I need you to pick me up.
Huh?
I need you to pick me up.
Nah, I'm about to leave.
No, pick me up. Stop playing games. No.
Peace.
No.
Told you. You won't act stupid. See what happens now?
This is how I go.
Now you stuck. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
No, seriously, help me. I can't get up, for real. No, come on.
You want to play in the snow? Bye-bye. Man, that's what? 250.
Let's go over there and go down that stairs. I got snow on my shoe.
Yeah, we gotta get out of here, I think. Ugh. Huh? Oh. I'm sure I got snow somewhere.
In the heel back part.
Let's see what they do with those books. Books down there. Cover that.
Probably the best.
Put it down there. And shit. They didn't even cover it properly.
It's gonna get most students. Hey, somebody sat down.
Let me see how well his pants work.
The test, sister.
Yeah, so I feel cool already. A little bit.
You are?
Yeah, well, you know, you can feel it. Not bad. Yeah, eventually after a while, you sit there, it'll just get colder and colder.
The snow got into my pants, not my shoes. See? It's here. It's
It's alright. It's good music. You gotta wait till you get home. Unless we go back now.
yeah, we should go.
Too bad enough.
Man, this is kind of comfy actually, to be honest. It gives you a little cushion.
Yeah.
Like if you lean back, it's got a little cushion, a little pillow. Lean back. It's like a little better than it was. In terms of comfort level. Fuck it if we see a car. We're gonna have to move around because according to my guy, he's not supposed to be out here.
Yeah, I know where you're going.
Take your ass home. What should you do?
They can't handle snow.
Right.
Nah.
You know, there's people who have plans to have something happen today, and
Some people just got different shit to do.
yeah,
You don't know what that is. Real important shit.
really important stuff. This guy cleaned his car out early.
Yeah, he's like, I'm getting that shit off now. Before that shit come down again.
Yeah.
More work to do.
Am I facing the camera the correct way?
Yeah.
Look at the trees. Wait, I want to take a picture of this. Can you hold
I
it?
should have dove in the snow in the park.
No, you don't even have.
Just like, I ain't got my gloves, that's
I was
why.
just gonna say you don't even have gloves. How
Damn
you
it,
gonna-
man. It's so stupid. I walk out here without gloves. Right?
Hey, oh my gloves.
No, I'm not, hands ain't even cold. It's just,
Literally
once
not
I start
even-
picking up snow, it'll get me cold. How red my hand is, I know it's
Yeah,
cold.
your hands are very red.
And it's not even cold.
anybody went to the works